Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to view the contact image in WhatsApp on your PC. Sometimes it's nice to have a visual representation of the person you're chatting with. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your PC. Make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed. Step 2. Next, click on the chat with the desired contact. This can be an individual or a group chat. Step 3. Now, click on the contact's name located at the top of the chat window. This will open the contact's profile. Step 4. In the Overview tab of the contact's profile, you will see their profile image. To view it in full size, simply click on the profile image. And there you have it. You've successfully viewed the contact image in WhatsApp on your PC. It's a great way to put a face to the name and personalize your conversations. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Stay connected and enjoy your WhatsApp experience. Until next time.